Hi everyone! So I want to read you guys this story today, and it's called Everyone is Yawning. Do you guys know what a yawn is? If you do, can you yawn with me right now? You ready? Ah, that's a yawn. So when do you guys usually yawn? We typically yawn when we're tired and sleepy and really needing to get some rest. So that is how all of the animals in this story are feeling. They're pretty tired. So every time they yawn, I want you guys to yawn with them. Okay? So let's see which animal we have first. It says, the kitten is tired. Can you see? Look, the kitten is yawning. So everyone yawn with the kitten. What sound does a kitten make? Can you guys make that sound? The snake is yawning too. And then it says, what a funny tongue. So this time when the snake yawns, make sure you look at its teeth and its tongue. Okay, ready? Ah. What sound does a snake make? Is the raccoon tired? Oh, yes. Look, the raccoon is yawning. Okay, yawn with the raccoon. Ah. The bunny is yawning very quietly. And then it says, look at those funny teeth. So while you yawn quietly, look at its teeth. Ready? Ah. Good, quiet yawn. The piggy is yawning noisily. It grunts a bit. The piggy is very tired. So this time, when you guys yawn and you open your mouth, I want you to make a pig sound. Ready? Ah. The crocodile shows all its teeth when it yawns, and there are a lot of them. So everyone do a really big yawn like this crocodile. Ready? Ah. And the hippo yawns too, 3 times. So everyone yawn 3 times. Ready? Ah. 1, ah. 2, ah. 3. Good job. Off to bed now, Arctic Fox. Can you see the Arctic Fox yawning? Ready? Ah. The turtle yawns very slowly. The little turtle is ready for bed, so do a really slow yawn with him. And the little child? Is the little child going to bed too? Oh yes. One more yawn and off to sleep. So do your last yawn with him. Ready? Oh. Okay, now let's see what happens. Shh. The owl whispers. Everyone is sleeping. See, they all curled up with the crocodile. All right, so since we did a lot of yawning and you guys are probably tired, I want you guys to stand up. So get out of your chair, and we're going to do our jumping guy activity. Okay, so remember, when you see this guy, you guys show me your strong muscles. And when you see this girl, you guys jump. A really nice big jump. And when you see this guy, you all go, wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Okay, ready? Make sure you're all standing up. Okay, so when I show you the color, you tell me what color it is as fast as possible. What color is this? Purple. What color is this? Yellow. What color is this? Red. What color? Everyone do your strong muscles. What color is this? Green. And this one? orange. And this color, blue. And everyone jump! Awesome. And this color is a little tricky. Do you guys remember it? It's brown. And this color as well. That is gray. And what's this one? White. Everyone go wiggle, 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 wiggle. This one, pink. Black. Purple. Yellow. Red. And back to our strong guy. Good job, my friends. Thanks. I'll see you later.